It's really good for my spine to be able to stretch it out. Right at you there, so watch out. Woo! I'm Sunray Kelley. I consider myself an artist because I do carpentry in my work, but it's more about the art and the beauty that I'm trying to convey. I love getting up in high spots and the view and the perspective and just the atmosphere. Different energy than being on the ground. Kind of envious of the birds all the time. They get to fly around and so graceful. Taken many, many years. This was started in 2014. Had a fire in 2017. So it's been a couple years in the rebuild process, and it's all new, the stairs. And plus the whole concept of the house changed quite a bit between the first one and the rebuild. Let's go up, take a look around. Original treehouse, it was only the 2 trees supported it. I was a little concerned because they were so damaged from the fire that I wanted to beef it up, so I added these 2 posts over here. That was a triple tree over there on that side. They got burned and died in the fire, so I took them down, moved them out here, and then added a couple more over there. So now it has 6 feet instead of 2 feet, and it's a lot more stable than it was with just the 2 trees. I just got a little 5-gallon tank hooked up right now. I got that 25-gallon tank sitting there full of propane now, so. The hex, it's the simplest, strongest structure. The bees use it, It's also very easy mathematically. All the sides are the same. The length of the side is also the radius. It's real simple to build and very strong. But when I plaster the walls, I'm painting at the same time I'm plastering. It's usually a multi-step process, and I do it all in one step. Just because I'm lazy and take shortcuts, I guess. Yeah, I have fun with it for sure. It's quite fun. Oh, this was a roof here on this floor. Just a conical roof, so it was coning up in all this area here. This floor and everything above it kind of grew. I'm not that big of a fan of walls, for sure. I don't need them that much, When I'm working, I can wear clothes. Just got to keep the rain off you a little bit. It can be raining real hard here, and you're kind of like in it, but you're not in it. You got shelter, and yet it's all around you, and all the wetness and the dampness of it. The connectedness you feel with all the nature. How the trees are very present. I've always loved the Russian churches. They've always been kind of my favorite piece of architecture in the world. I mean, more than anything else. And then we went to Europe. And the roof lines, you know, in the cities and stuff, they're full of onion domes pretty much. And so that was my inspiration, was I wanted to do something like that with these domes coming up and out of it. So I did it. I like it a lot. I like to look at it. Interesting about round shapes is that they don't blow over like square buildings. Air kind of moves around very gracefully, and no earthquake type thing. That'll be the last thing standing. Goes over the top. I go up there quite a bit. It's amazing how much more you see from up there than you see here. You know, you see a lot here, but up there you see even a whole lot more. You see the Sound and the Olympics and the Peninsula, and Mount Erie, and it's all out there just above the tree line, so you got to get up over the trees to see it. More challenging in this next section of it, for sure. I kind of wanted it that way on purpose because people are scared of heights. They won't go up here, you know. Those are the ones I worry about. People that are confident and probably won't fall down. Gotta do a little work on this. This is a motorcycle rear wheel. I was going to use a bike wheel, but I decided that the axle wasn't big enough or strong enough to hold it, so I went to a motorcycle wheel. And I still don't know. It could fly off in here one of these days. I like kinetics a lot. I like things that move and are going all the time. Because I get to see that from pretty much everywhere, you know. I can look up and watch that spin. And I love the observation deck up here too, that we can actually get up here and get this kind of perspective. Ask the trees permission to use it in my build. They're also usually very anxious to, be part of the build, you know. And it's just very giving. Strange to me, you're such a thankless creature and just mow them down senselessly all over the place, you know. But people are getting aware, you know. A lot of the governments in the world right now are planting lots and lots of trees, and that's the key. That's the key to our survival, is that we reforest the planet. We are the gardeners of Eden, you know. And that's what I think, even in our DNA, we were put on this planet to caretake this garden. Our happiness and our peace of mind and everything comes when we return to this aspect as a gardener of the planet, or a gardener of people, and husband and nurturer, you know, of all of life. But if you're not happy, go out and garden, and you'll become much happier. You know, plant something and watch it grow and see what that does for your soul, you know.